Okay, we talked about natural versus synthetic later on when we talked about natural resources, but it also has to do with standard too. So we need to understand that when a substance undergoes a chemical reaction, that's how we make synthetics. And then when we say like a substance is derived from natural resources, a lot of times what's going on is that we're combining natural resources to create a new substance, and we're doing that via chemical reactions. And so that's what makes it synthetic, something that we are making that doesn't occur naturally. So for example, like there are a lot of sugars like aspartame that is a synthetic. It's a sugar that, or a sweetener that we use to sweeten our food because we want sweet food, but we don't want to have the calories. And so that's why we're doing it. We want certain properties, and we don't want to gain weight, and but we want to have that sweetness. So we're trying to basically avoid our consequences by messing around with natural foods and making them into something that's synthetic that we can basically continue to eat but not have the consequences, which, for some people that's okay, and other people experience a reaction to the synthetic foods. Another thing that can be synthetic is like the material that we wear, like let's see, spandex, or acrylic materials. And so we want certain properties in our materials. Maybe we want them to be strong but also elastic, or maybe we want them to be water resistant or water absorbent. So we combine different substances to create a synthetic substance that has those properties. So natural substances are materials that come from the earth, and they're not chemically altered or derived or changed from other natural sources. Synthetic sources are ones that are chemically changed or derived from a combination of other natural sources. I think I already said this, but I'll just reiterate it. We make synthetic substances because we desire a substance to have certain properties that natural substances do not. So that's that for the standard.